Cafe is inspired by the Swedish tradition of fika, which means to taking a break to enjoy coffee and pastries. This concept is beautifully reflected in the cafe's ambience and offerings. As we step inside later, makikita nyo yung cozy space na feeling like home. Very homey siya. Perfect for relaxing or catching up with friends. Pwede din siya pag gagawa ka ng assignments.
Hala. Nandito kami ngayon. Marami kami pag-usapan. Magka-unwind. Magka-record ng assignment.
As we can see, meron din silang outer space para pwedeng sa labas mag-enjoy ng coffee or mag-catch up yung mga pupunta dito sa Fika Cafe. Marami silang chairs para sa mga customers and medyo malaki-laki ang capacity ng pwede nila o kaya nilang i-accommodate. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by a very warm and inviting atmosphere. So, yung mga decorations nila, tapos yung combination nila with the rustic charm, tapos modern touches. At saka, nung pumunta kami dito, ay dahil malapit na ang Pasko, nagde-decor na din sila ng mga Christmas decorations nila as you can see sa video natin. Here naman, nakikita yung mga decors and mga ingredients din. Tapos, meron din yung menu nila dyan sa may taas. Pero meron din naman silang individual na menu na pwedeng pagtignan ng kung ano yung i-order. And, yan. Makikita natin naman na naka-decor na sila for the holiday season. Ito naman yung individual na menu nila na pwedeng mag-flip through kung ano yung gusto mong kunin dun sa cafe. And here are some of the food. Ube cheesecake. Meron din silang blueberry cheesecake sa araw na yun kasi iba-iba din naman yung ano nila. And this is the carrot cake na in-offer din nila that day. The standout features ng Fika Cafe ay ang kanilang Victoria Ordino espresso machine, which is the first kind sa La Trinidad. This is a very high-end equipment that ensures every cup of coffee is crafted to perfection. For us naman, kumuha kami ng strawberry milk tea, as you can see there. And iced latte. Ordered kami ng platter na may chicken wings, onion rings, kamote fries, and fried siomai. Pumunta kami dito sa cafe to catch up, to make our assignments, projects, and to eat. Kasi gutom na din kami noong time na yan. Kaya, so, yes, dumating na ang aming food. Madami pala. And then, our drinks. Yun. Inaayos ko yung sa set design. Tsaka yung pag-open ng curtain ng theater play namin. And yan. And si Hannah naman is hindi ko maintindihan kung ano yung sinusulat niya. Bahalan siya dyan. Math something. Yes, yung food namin ulit. Then, here's one of a clip sana ng aking broadcast video. Pero hindi natuloy. At ilalagay na lang natin dito sa may vlog namin. Wait, ulitin natin. Nag-blurred. Tapos wala tayong record. Diyan lang. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa place and sa food?
So, ang masasabi ko lang for me sa place tsaka sa food. Sa place is, para sa akin, comfortable siya. And malakas ang wifi. Okay na okay para sa mga students na gustong mag-study. Tapos sa food naman, carry lang. Carry lang, masarap, then mabubusog ka, marami din yung serving.
Thank you po! Here's another clip sana na magagamit sana namin para sa broad pero hindi nga natuloy, so ilalagay na lang natin dito sa vlog.
Nakatipid na lugar, do your assignments, or catch up with your friends, halina dito sa Mika Cafe. Yan na mga kaibigan, nagbabalita para sa KLSG News Patrol.
the experience?
Let me rate. Wait. Okay. Yung place is 10 over 10. Although hindi pa sila tapos mag-decorate kasi may Christmas na. So decorate pa lang sila pero kitang-kita ang ganda ng place nila. Ang ganda ng ambience. Very nice. Sa food naman nila, 7.5 out of 10. Masarap siya, nakakabusog. Madami din yung serving nila. Yung drink lang, masarap din yung drink nila actually, pero may mas masarap na natikman. And yung pera? yung prices naman nila is 7.5 out of 10. Medyo mahal yung drinks nila. 105 and above ang single drink nila. And yung food naman nila is nag-range ng price 150 and above siguro. Overall, maganda. Very nice. Babalikan. Gulo ng cameraman. And yan lang for today's video. Hope you like our mini cafe vlog and more videos to come. Bye guys!
So that was the cafe there in Baguio City, and just like their cafe, over here a lot of people came to study because the atmosphere and the ambiance was so cozy and inviting, but the food was also delicious. So when I go back to the Philippines, I definitely want to try their cafe. But over here, this was a little hidden gem, a little hidden spot that me and my mom have never visited. But we will visit it often because it's so yummy. Thanks for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.